You do speak their language. If you say it right, they might look at you like you know what you're saying and start talking. Just let them know that you don't know what you're talking about.
Just one word. It's like I just know one word.
Yeah, for sure, for sure.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe Hatagwa, and today I have a clip for you from 10 things to know before visiting Ghana. This is clip number 10, and it's greetings and common phrases spoken in Twi, which is the most common language spoken here in Ghana. Check it out. I recorded this with my good friend Kels. We wanted to make sure we share with you what we wish we knew before we came. Let's do it.
Let's do it. Starting off at number 10, we have greetings. Greetings are very important when you come to Ghana. They're a very respectful culture, and it's something they do every time you meet someone. You say hello, good afternoon, how are you?
You'll notice that people here are very polite, right? So when they say yes, it's yes please, or no, no please. Even sometimes when you ask somebody their name, it's say Joe please. It's a very polite culture, so knowing that that's how people are here, it permeates kind of through all types of speech.
For sure, it's not something like if you need to know the time or if you need to know how to get somewhere, it's not so much, you know, excuse me, how do you get here or what's the time? It's more, how are you? How are you doing? And then you ask your question, because it's more of they want to connect with the people, right? You know, and they do speak English, but it's important to know some of their terms, right? Some of what they say, some of their language, but they have etisain. Etisain is how are you?
Medasi is thank you.
Yes.
You'll be saying thank you a lot, right? Or medasi, right? That's how I've been told to say it.
Yeah, for sure.
But yeah, you want to just make sure you know those words. People like when you speak their language when you're in their country. So it's good to know some of the phrases.
For sure. So number 10 is definitely greetings, guys. Know your greetings. Know how to greet people before you come here.
So just remember, akwaba means welcome. Medasi means thank you. And you know a couple.
Yeah, etisain is how are you? You know, and when you do speak their language, if you say it right, they might look at you like you know what you're saying and start talking. Just let them know that you don't know what you're talking about.
Just one word. It's like I just know one word.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. Me and Joe will always be around. Make sure you go ahead and follow us on our pages. He's at Authentic African, Yeah, Authentic African on YouTube and at authentic_African on Instagram. For sure. And mine is Kels Acosta on every platform. All right, guys, so this was just a short clip. It's not a comprehensive list. We definitely will have a part 2 where we go much more in detail in the coming weeks. So subscribe, hit that notification bell, and make sure to keep up to date on the videos that are coming.